Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the all-new 2025 MGZS 1.5L luxury SUV. It's a compact crossover that's been getting a lot of attention lately, especially for what it offers at such an affordable price point. We're going to walk you through the exterior, the interior, how it drives, and of course, what it'll cost you. So let's jump right in. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 MGZS is definitely a head-turner for a budget-friendly SUV. MG has refined the look with sharper lines and a more premium front fascia. The new grille is wider and sleeker, with a modern honeycomb pattern and chrome accents that make it pop. You've also got full LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights, giving it a much more upscale appearance than you'd expect in this class. Around back, the rear design is clean and stylish. The taillights are LED as well and mimic the front lighting signature, which helps give the whole design a cohesive look. The side profile has nice proportions, with a high beltline and sculpted fenders that add a bit of sportiness. The 17-inch alloy wheels on the luxury trim have a two-tone finish that complements the body colors nicely. Overall, it looks like a much more expensive SUV than it actually is, which is a big win for MG. Now, stepping inside, this is where MG really surprises. The cabin feels much more premium than you'd expect at this price point. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather-style material, and they're supportive and comfortable even on longer drives. The luxury trim comes with power adjustment for the driver's seat, which is a nice touch. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused. Right at the center, you've got a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's responsive, easy to navigate, and doesn't feel like an afterthought. Just below that, you've got neatly integrated climate controls with a digital display, and everything feels solid and well put together. One thing that really stands out is the panoramic sunroof. It adds an airy, open feel to the cabin that's rare in this price bracket. Rear seat space is decent too. Two adults can sit comfortably back there with good legroom and headroom. You've also got rear AC vents and USB charging ports, so MG clearly didn't cut corners on passenger comfort. As for storage, the ZS offers a decent amount of cargo space. With the rear seats up, you're looking at around 359 liters, which is enough for a couple of medium suitcases or a week's worth of groceries. Fold the seats down and you can carry a lot more. It's practical enough for families or weekend road trips. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, you've got a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that makes around 106 horsepower and 104 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission. Now, that might not sound like much on paper, and to be honest, this SUV isn't built for speed. But it does what it's meant to do, provide smooth, comfortable driving for city commutes and light highway use. The steering is light, which makes it great for urban driving and parking in tight spots. Ride comfort is a strong point too. The suspension handles bumps and rough patches quite well, keeping things smooth inside. If you're looking for a performance SUV, this isn't it. But if you want a reliable, efficient daily driver that gets you from A to B comfortably, the MGZS delivers. Fuel economy is solid. You're looking at around 36 to 38 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions. It's not a hybrid, but it's very efficient for a gas-powered SUV in this class. And for those concerned about reliability, MG has been stepping up their game in quality control, especially in newer models. As for safety, the luxury trim includes key features like a 360-degree camera, parking sensors, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and 6 airbags. It's not packed with high-end driver assists like adaptive cruise control or lane keeping, but for this price range, it covers the essentials well. Now let's talk about pricing. This is where the MGZS really makes an impression. The 2025 1.5L luxury trim comes in at just under $22,000 USD, depending on your market and any local incentives. That's a lot of SUV for the money. You're getting a stylish, comfortable, and well-equipped crossover that doesn't break the bank. And don't forget, MG typically offers a 5-year warranty with roadside assistance, which adds a lot of peace of mind for budget-conscious buyers. So, to sum it all up, the 2025 MGZS 1.5L luxury SUV is a solid value. It looks great, feels upscale inside, drives smoothly, and won't hurt your wallet. Sure, it's not the most powerful SUV out there, but for the price, it does just about everything you could want from a daily driver. If you're in the market for an affordable, stylish compact SUV with solid features and comfort, the MGZS deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next car review. Drop your questions or thoughts about the MGZS in the comments, we love hearing what you think. Catch you in the next video.